Hello and thank you for joining. Today we will be painting our ocean wave clock. I usually paint on the vinyl records, so this is upcycled vinyl record clock. I'm using my acrylic paint. This is my acrylic white, which we're going to use it as a background. Making sure that I spread my white color, but it's only on the top 2/3 of the record, leaving the bottom for my blues and dark colors. I am using several blue colors, dark and light, to give you different shades of the water. I'm adding a little bit of the seaweed, which is a dark greenish blue color, to show you the depth of the water. And just a little bit of silver to give you a shine and reflection from the sun. Now, using the palette knife, I'm actually gonna start painting my wave with a combination of all the colors we just added to our record. And finally, we'll use the heat gun or your torch to pop all the bubbles. Thank you so much for joining. See you.